All right, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about pull-offs. What is a pull-off? How do you do it? I didn't even know that was possible on the ukulele, but it is. And I'm going to break it down for you in this video of not only how to do a pull-off, but what they are and what they can do for your playing. All right, there it is. We'll take that one right there. Welcome to Ukulele Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and I appreciate you being here for this video. We're going to talk about pull-offs. This is a really cool, a little bit more advanced. You know, you get out of your strumming, your basic chords and stuff. You get to maybe you're doing some soloing, maybe you're playing some melodies, maybe you just want to make your playing a little bit better. Right here, this is what you need right here, the pull-offs. All right. That reminds me, we have actually a fantastic course. We have a couple courses, ukelikethepros.com/platinum. We got a soloing course. So if you like the stuff we're doing, we also got a technique course over there. So make sure to check those out, become a platinum member. All right, so the pull-off's going to be right here. All right, we're going to start simple. Don't worry. I'm just showing you some examples of it. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, I take responsibility for that. That's my fault. But make sure you do that now and then click the link below because you're automatically entered. And by the way, that link is ukelikethepros.com/win to get our free ukulele monthly giveaway. Matter of fact, we just did that a couple days ago, and we'll do that every single month. So, all right, here we go. So pull-offs. I'm going to start right here. Slide up here, first string, 5th fret. You can do this anywhere. We'll just start right here. First string, 5th fret. What note is that? Leave that in the comments below. And place your third finger down, and then have your first finger already planted on the first string, 3rd fret. And you're going to do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to pluck the 5th fret here. Then you're going to push your finger into the fretboard and then snap the string off your fingertip. Notice I don't pick that 3rd fret. I just pick it once and then pull it off. All right, you want to get to the point where the second note, you can hear it nice and clear just like you can on the first note. Now, you can do pull-offs with all your fingers. You can do your pinky, your 3rd finger, your 2nd finger. You could even do like the 3rd to 4th or your 3rd to the 2nd. But the most common is going to be probably with your 3rd finger to your 1st. All right, now I threw a bunch of techniques in there. Pull-offs, hammer-ons, and also some bends and some vibrato. And I have videos on all that stuff. But this is a pull-off. All right, this is going to take a little bit of time, a little bit of practice. Okay, most of you might do this. It's not just not just lifting your finger off the string. You got to push it in and snap it off. You can do it, and this is going to take your playing from here, boom, to here, make you sound just like a pro. So I appreciate you being here. If you like this ukulele, if you need anything, go support us over at store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 store for all your ukulele needs. I told you about the Platinum membership. We got a fantastic blog as well, blog.ukelikethepros.com. Hundreds of articles that help you understand and become a great ukulele player. We got a Patreon page and all our social media stuff as well. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Practice your pull-offs, and we'll see you next time.